No one focus on that. Yeah. The fame will make me go out like Kurt Cobain. And for the success, I get some bitch whore in a dress. She'll look better when I die. Take all my money. I can't see it multiply. I die at 27. Make it only no one focus months. I die getting a picture. And still be stalking blunt baby. Boom. Shit the red drags. They do it until they see me shotgun blast and the toe tag. And the Mizzy Moon right there. I must applaud. Clap, bring it back. Yeah, all of you. This is how we do it. We ain't gonna be Nirvana. That's why G, baby. They're gonna always come and talk the drama. Can't even fuck with my fish tank and that piranha. I got that Godzilla. He's a real fish tank killer. A real fish tank skiller. Stinking like a motherfucker. Stinking like a nasty ass trucker. Shitty balls. Shitty motherfucking shit forever. Be on crystal meth, whatever. Nah, like I'm joking. Ain't on the pharmacy shit. YG only got the Papa Z with. Every goddamn day I got the slip. Got it rolled, got it hit, and we were in my armpits. I joking. Maybe it's in my shoes are steel toes. We do it got me and shit, but like some weirdos. We don't care. Cause we gonna blow up off this shit, motherfucker. Things like that. Fuck all that shit. You ever seen Herb? MTC's kicking Herbs to the curb. Boot to the face, motherfuckers wanna step up in this place. Yo, be the moon, 6 feet underground. Yo, we'll take you on a tour. Be cold like a corpse. What's up? We're doing this up, of course. Representing every day where, and my nigga Sauce is making the beat for us. MTC Product. Shins is what we're knocking out. Shattered. Like rides being battered. Smacking them up. Flipping them up. Slicing them from here to here.